Hi everyone, it's Lachlan from Rise Above Drones, and today I'm going to be showing you the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, which I've been using for the past couple of days. First, we'll start with some specs, and then we'll get into some of the footage I've managed to capture with it. With its massive 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Mavic 2 Pro is capable of shooting 10-bit 4K video and stunning 20 megapixel photos, all with an adjustable aperture, which is a first for the Mavic series. With additional 6-way obstacle sensing, 31-minute flight time, and new software features such as hyperlapse, the Mavic 2 Pro is the drone of choice for many photographers and videographers. Here's some of the shots I've managed to capture.